Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert Excel to Word document. So let's get started the video. Open your Microsoft Word document. Place your cursor where you want to insert Excel sheet. Click to the Insert tab in the Word ribbon and then click on Object icon. It's here. Now click on Create from File tab in Object pop-up that appears. Click on Browse to locate and select the Excel file and click on Insert button. Your Excel sheet is now converted into your Word document. You can resize it, move it around or format it however you like. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.